My name is Rebecca Jago, and I'm the Managing Director of the Master of Distillers. And I came to be in this position because my father, Tom Jago, and his longtime colleague, James Espy, started the company in 2008, almost on a whim, I would say, to find and bottle something extraordinary and old and delicious. And that kernel is what became the Master of Distillers. So in 2020, we asked Colin Scott, ex-Master Blender for Chivers Brothers, to join us to help us with our Scotch whisky inventory and blending. And his agreement prompted us to invite some other stellar blenders from across rum, bourbon, Indian whisky, Irish whisky and cognac also to join us. And that group of people became what we called the Assembly. And that has allowed us to start working in the world of creating signature blends as well as curating remarkable spirit. Louise McGuane is the founder and owner and everything of J.J. Corrie Irish Whisky in County Clare, and she has created a brand and some really exceptional Irish whiskies, and we're very proud to have her on board. Colin Scott, ex-Master Blender for Chivers Brothers, joined us after over 40 years in the Scotch whisky industry and is our Master Blender in charge of Scotch whisky. Michael D'Souza is the Master Blender and Distiller for Paul John Whisky in India and has a really extraordinary palate, skill and an incredibly modest demeanour. Drew Mayville is the Master Blender and Director of Quality for Sazerac, based at Buffalo Trace Distillery. He also has over 40 years experience in the industry across both Canada and American whisky, and he's the author of our second signature blend. Denis Laour-Baghdad is the cellar master for Sazerac de St-Lonzac, which is the cognac home of Sazerac, and actually the original part of the Sazerac business began in cognac many hundreds of years ago. Richard Seal is the fourth generation of Seals to have founded and run Foursquare Distillery in Barbados. He knows more about rum than I think anybody on the planet.